Welcome back to Umalogs. Today we are diving into the fabulous world of braids with coils. If you are a fan of classic styles like French coils or looking to add a twist to your regular braids, then you are in the right place. We will showcase 100 unique styles that brings together the best of both worlds, braids with soft, beautiful coils at the end. So grab a seat, relax, and let's get inspired. First, let's start with the classic French coils. This timeless look is perfect for anyone who loves the clean, smooth look of braids with a touch of natural coil at the end. French coils add sophistication and an elegant touch that can be dressed up or down for any occasion. Plus, they are incredibly versatile. Try this out for work, a night out, or even a formal event. With French coils, you can experiment with thickness. Go for smaller, tightly braided strands if you want sleek and refined look, or opt for thicker braids for a bolder statement. Either ways, these coils will flow beautifully with any outfit or makeup style. Now let's add some color. French coils look amazing with a pop of color on the tips, whether it's a soft ombre, pastel tone, or something vibrant like purple or teal. Colored coils give you a fresh and modern twist, allowing you to showcase your personality and creativity. For a softer look, consider pastel colors that blend well with your natural hair tone. If you are feeling adventurous, neon or deep colors will give your coils a striking contrast that's sure to turn heads. And remember, the coils will keep their bounce and beauty no matter the color. For a laid-back, beachy vibe, try loose braids with coils at the end. This style works perfectly if you are aiming for a boho chic look or just something effortlessly stylish. It gives you a relaxed feel while still looking absolutely stunning. Loose braids are perfect for framing the face and adding volume to your look. Plus, the coils at the end can be styled in so many ways, like tousling for extra texture or leaving them sleek for a polished finish. Who doesn't love a good half up, half down style? This look combines the elegance of French coils with a fun, youthful vibe. Perfect for any casual outing or even a special occasion. It is a style that's both versatile and very easy to wear. These styles allows you to play with accessories too. Add some hair jewels, beads, or even flowers for a unique customized look that truly stands out. Box braids are a favorite, and adding coils to the ends only make them better. This style is a great choice for anyone who wants a balanced look that's both structured and soft. Perfect for daily wear or a night out with friends. For a dramatic effect, go for longer braids with loose coils that cascade down your back. If you prefer something more subtle, shorter braids with tighter coils will give you a chic, modern look. If you love volume, this one's for you. Chunky braids with big coils are perfect for a high-impact statement look. The thicker braids combined with the fullness of the coils create a truly glamorous style that's hard to ignore. Keep the coils soft and bouncy for a more dramatic effect. This style can be worn down or even gathered in a loose high ponytail for an extra glamorous look. Sometimes, it's all in the details. Accessorize your coils with beads, ribbons, or pins to give your hairstyle a unique twist. Accessories bring out the beauty of each coil and add a playful touch that makes the style even more eye-catching. Choose accessories that match your personal style, metallics for a sleek, modern look, or colorful beads for a vibrant, fun style that show off your personality. Ponytails with French coils bring a whole new level of elegance, perfect for any occasion. These styles are simple but give a sophisticated look that's always in trend. A low ponytail with coiled ends can create a graceful look, while a high ponytail is bold and playful. Experiment with both to see which suits you best. Before we wrap up this video, let's talk about maintenance, how to maintain the style. To keep your coils looking their best, use a light oil or coil mousse to keep them hydrated and frizz-free. Be gentle when detangling, and remember to protect your coils at night with a silk scarf or bonnet. Keeping your coils soft and defined is key to enjoying the style for longer. Do not forget to moisturize regularly. From classic French curls to bold chunky braids, we have covered so many styles to inspire your next look. Whether you are going for something subtle or something that truly stands out, there is a curly braid style here for everyone. Continue watching this video for more inspirations from the styles. See you at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiration. Comment below and let us know which style you would love to try next. And as always, stay stylish.